Urhobo wado, urhobo wado, urhobo wado. Ikpakome migwe o. No nena migu no yono kpa oborobo tai ne ibieta. Today I want to talk about alphabets in Urhobo language. Ebiko ayo go we ne mekari oyibo wo yono na. Please forgive me because I want to use English to lecture today, based on the fact that a lot of persons have joined my Facebook account, making it 16,000 members. Why? Because they want to learn the Urhobo language from the scratch. Well, that's why I want to start from beginning again, which is alphabets in Urhobo language. Ibieta Urhobo. Ibieta. Like we have 25 alphabets in Urhobo language. The 25 alphabets in Urhobo language are A, B, D, E without dot, E with dot, F, G, G, H, L, J, K, L, M, N, O without dot, O with dot, P, R, S, T, U, that is U, V, W, Y, then Z. Now, we made some examples here that will help a lot of us to follow up with the alphabets. The examples are letter A, which sound as A. In English, it sounds as ant. The A is what concerns us inside. This is the English, the way the A sound in English. A. Iji in Urhobo, Ame. Ame means water. B sound as beg in English. In Urhobo, Bra. That's wicked. Letter D sound in English, De, Da, Di. Then in Urhobo, you can use it to pronounce the word Da, which means drink. Then letter E without dot sound as A in English. We see example is emu, food. Letter E with dot sound as E in English. E in English. E in Urhobo, rhovwo, prayer. F sound as fan in English. In Urhobo, fa, flog. Letter G sound as gi, get in English. Ga, that is ga in Urhobo, strong. Letter H sound as ha, heart in English. Then if you want to use it to pronounce a word in Urhobo language, it sounds as ho, like ho. Ho means bath, to take your bath. Letter H sound as heart in English, that is he. Then we use it to pronounce a word in Urhobo as ho, which means bait. Letter L sound, letter I in Urhobo sound as E in English. E.g., Isio, stars. Isio, stars. Letter J sound as G, which is jet in English. In Urhobo, we use it to pronounce the word je, which means shoes. Letter K sound as ki in English. Ke, give. Letter L, it sound as li, to let. Let in English. Let, li is the li that concerns us here. Then we use it to pronounce the word in Urhobo as la, which means light. Letter M sound as me, ma. Then E.g., we use it to pronounce a word in Urhobo as ma, which is mode. Letter N sound as ni in English. Ni. Then we use it to pronounce the word no, which is ask. Letter O sound as, that is letter O without dot, sound as O in English, which means O, oat. Omoze, plate. Letter O with dot, sound as orange, O or. Omo, child. Letter P sound as P in English. In Urhobo, who, that is who, to rise. Letter R sound as re, which means to eat. Letter S sound in English as si, sit. Si, pronounce the word as sa, shoot. Letter T sound as tree, t, te, which means play. Letter U sound as u in English. In Urhobo, we used to pronounce the word u tuta. The U is u, which means onions. Letter V sound as van, van, ve. That is ve in Urhobo, meaning prize. Now, letter W sound as we, which is, we use it to pronounce the word where, which is you. Letter Y sound as ye in English, meaning yare. The ye, yi, that is how they pronounce Y, yi. Then yare come. Letter Z, which means z, za, ze, zi, zo, zu. In English, ze. Then we use it to pronounce the word in Urhobo as ze, which means to appease. To appease. These are the 25 little words in Urhobo. We have letter C, but it's not joined to this one, based on the fact that letter C cannot stand on its own without attaching it to a word. So it is not among the alphabets in Urhobo language. So if we go to the other part of it where we can use letter C in our subsequent class. So this is where I'm going to end my lecture for today. Like you have known, A is A, B is B, D is D, E is A, that is E without dot is A, E with dot is E, F is F, G is G, H is He, L is Li, J is J, K is Ki, L is Li, M is Me, N is Ni, O without dot is O, O with dot is O, P is Fi, R is Ri, S is C, T is T, U is U, then V is V, W is We, Y is Yi, then Z is Z. You can use it to pronounce other words. I just use these ones as an example so that you can easily flow with the letters anywhere you see them. So when you see them, you know how to pronounce those words. I will still bring the names of things later. When I bring later the names of things in Urhobo, different things in Urhobo, if you see them with these words that I've taught you today, you will be able to, even if I did not put a video, you'll be able to use those words to pronounce every word that I'm going to write, all the spellings of those things. So with this is the beginning of the language. If you can know this, you are already covered. So like you all know, my name is Mrs. Ayeruwebiorowe Christy Ogenenyerowo Happy Ego Umukuru Mewo UYONO Urhobo. I am a tutor of Urhobo language. So feel free to ask me questions. Please encourage some of us that are doing this work. It's very necessary. We might not beg you. We might not beg. But on your own, if you find what we are doing as a good thing, please encourage us in every way. In prayers, in encouragement, financially, and otherwise. I am on TikTok. I am on Facebook. Like this, my Facebook. I am on WhatsApp group. I am also on Instagram. And I am on TikTok and Snapchat. So please follow me. I love you so much, but God love you more. Wado, wado.